Morning everyone, it's me again. I just thought I'd come on to show you an example of a model today, just to help get you going with your writing so that you can get going as quickly and as easily as possible. I've written a biography for you, just the first couple of paragraphs on Jessica Ennis-Hill, who's another British athlete, and I thought you'd be interested to see what potentially a good biography could look like. So I'm just going to show you that in the beginning. And I'm just going to talk you through some of the things that we could say in our biographies. So here I've used her first name, Jessica Ennis-Hill, her full name even, where she was born and when she was born. We know a little bit about her family here, so we know money was tight when she was growing up and she enjoyed a happy childhood with her parents, Vinnie and Alison, and her sister Carmel, who is 3 years younger than her. So we've really set the scene here with where she was growing up and how she grew up, who she grew up with, who her parents were and who her sister were. We've also got a few brackets here, which as you'll know, they're parentheses and kind of like a whispered way of using parentheses because we don't really need to know their names, but it does add a little bit of interesting information for us. So going into the second paragraph, who started it here, one of the first things Jessica learned from her parents was the importance of hard work. So we know that her family instantly worked very hard, and she learnt this from her parents. Okay, so this is how. Vinnie, who was born in Jamaica and moved to Britain when he was 12, is a painter and decorator, and Alison is a social worker. Alison used to work night shifts, her dread of every day, while Vinnie looked after the two girls. Why do you think we've used dashes here in this bit? Mainly they're there for impact. Okay, so we're showing that she dreaded the night shifts. She didn't like doing them, but she worked incredibly hard. Okay, and while her dad was a painter and decorator in the day, he looked after the girls at night when his mum went out to work. Okay, her mum went out to work. A little bit more information. So Jessica attended Sharrow Junior School and, from the age of 11, more parenthesis, King Egbert Secondary School. When she was 10, so a really nice adverbial there, her mother spotted an advert for a summer camp in Sheffield, offering children the chance to try out various athletics events. Jessica went along and loved every minute of it. So here we know she really developed a love of running and athletics. She also impressed the coaches so much that she was awarded her first athletics prize. What was it? A pair of trainers. Okay, so there's already, when she was 10, people noticing how good she was. This is quite a good start to a biography. Some of the sentences are quite long, but it's okay. It's good to vary the length of your sentences and make sure they're interesting. So there you go. That's also available for you to download from the website if you want to have a look at it. But hopefully that has helped you realise what a good biography could look like, how you join your sentences together using all those cohesive devices from yesterday, and hopefully you'll produce a really nice biography over the next 2 days. Don't forget that you must try and send them in to us at the email address. Okay, if you haven't sent us anything already, we would love to see some of your writing. So give it a good go. You get to choose who you write about. It's really interesting, and make the most of it. Have fun. Bye.